Hi, I'm Jeremy Johnson, one of the co-founders of Rocketspark. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own website with Online Shop and connect it to Xero. Rocketspark is a website maker that produces beautifully simple websites. Our key benefits are ease of use and good design. With Rocketspark, anyone with basic computer skills can make and manage their own website. If that sounds too hard, we can make it for you and hand you the keys to keep it up to date. We've not only made it simple, but Rocketspark guides you towards best practice design. It starts with uploading your logo. Rocketspark automatically resizes and crops your logo to look good on your website. We're wanting our website to look like the Xero branding, so we're going to select this layout. The next step is selecting your color palette. Rocketspark detects the color from your logo and recommends palettes that are going to work well with your branding. Next, you can choose from some style options. And I'm going to choose this one here. Now it's just a matter of picking a wallpaper and choosing a font. And entering your details to create the 30-day free trial. The next step is to start adding content to your trial website. We have a video there which explains how to add content, and we also have info buttons you can click if you get stuck. You don't know what a stack is yet, but there's one button to click, so let's click it and see what it does. A stack is like a layer on the page, and within each stack you can have multiple building blocks. Let's add a one-column stack, and in that stack we'll add a picture block. Next, we'll add a two-column stack. Then a big heading block. In official web terms, this heading is called an H1. Now I'll add a text block. Now I'll just add another picture. That's me on the left with Rod Drury from Xero. It's important to have a call to action on your website, so I'm going to add a button block to link to my contact page. Because it's so easy to try different layouts, I'm going to try changing to a 2/3, 1/3 stack layout. You can see that the image automatically resized to the width of the column. If I drag that image over here, it resizes to the larger size. But I prefer the original layout, so I'll go back to the two-column layout. Now I'm going to add a shop. Before I start adding my products, I'm just going to set up my currency and shipping. Set the currency as pound sterling. And this is my currency description. I've set up my shipping country as the United Kingdom and setting my standard shipping rate. We also provide T's and C's for you to edit and adopt as your own. Now that I've saved those, I'm going to connect my shop to Xero. Just click Authorize. And now I just set the Xero account that I want website sales to go into. and set a prefix of website so that I can see my website sales labelled in Xero. Now I just need to set up my tax rate. And now I'm ready to start adding products. Just click Add Product, and I'll add my Retro Abacus title and a description. I'm going to upload 3 pictures. These pictures get displayed in a gallery on the product page. I'm going to add a category of Abacus and set that and the shipping rate I've set up previously. Set the price and the stock. If stock reaches 0, I want to hide the product because I've got a limited amount of stock. And click Save Changes. Now that I have a product there, I can set up a call to action button on my homepage to link to that product. Just enter the text that you want on the button and I want to link to the product. Now I've set my shop online and I'm going to go through and make a purchase. I add it to my basket, click Checkout and enter my checkout details. Then click Continue. That all looks good. Shipping's been applied and now I can check out. I've entered my credit card details and payment was approved. Now I'm going to log into my dashboard and it tells me I have an order there. Now if we go into Xero and view sales, we can see that order showing up in the statements list. And if I click on that invoice, that's the purchase that's just occurred on the website. It has the shipping line there, and when the payment comes into my bank account, we can mark it as paid. The credit card transaction will process overnight. Now I go to the customers area in Xero, and we can see that a customer record has been created there for John Smith. And if I go to the settings and inventory items, our Retro Abacus has been created as an inventory item. Back on my website, I'm now going to set up my contact page with an inquiry form and a map. I'm going to start by adding a 1-column stack with a big heading. Then I'm going to add an inquiry form and specify the email address I want inquiries to be sent to. Then I'm going to add a map block. All sites are mobile optimized to look good on smartphones. We connect with social media to help you create awareness, and there are many more features such as video, blogging, slideshows, and galleries. So there you have it. In less than 10 minutes, we've designed and built our own website and connected it to Xero. If you think this is too good to be true, we encourage you to try it out for yourself. Check out our 30-day free trial and learn more about Rocketspark with Xero at www.rocketspark.com. Thanks for listening.